Hey, welcome back to Travel and Eat with Sabrina. So in this video, what I'm going to do is, it's not going to be a very long video, but I'm going to show you how I make my Epis seasoning. So basically is liquid season. And I'm going to show y'all what will be in it. Give me 1 second. So far what's going to be in the mixture is green onions, garlic. This is a whole clove of garlic. This is a whole pepper. So there's going to be a pepper and a half that I have. This is what I have left in my home. Red pepper, orange pepper, tomato, and again a whole onion. So far that's what's going to be in the mixture. And then I'm going to use this for a container. See? Only because I know I'm going to make more. So I know I'm going to make more. So that container is good enough. It's big enough. So just need a regular blender to put in there. So I'm getting ready to put the vegetables in the blender. Let me cut this up. I don't know where my tripod is at, so you're sitting on, you propped up on a coffee can. So if you don't have a blender that is like very strong, you might just want to cut your vegetables up. If you have like one of them high power strong blenders, then you know, so you probably just put the whole thing in there. But I'm just chopping it up. And this particular season, you using on all your meat, your vegetables. You just take a dollop and put it in your, you know what I'm saying, for seasoning. So it's good to have. I know for me and my family, I like it. I season my meat with this all the time. Give me 1 second. Thank you. Okay. That's my son. Is it moving? I think it's moving. Yeah. No. It is. It's slipping. I need to find my tripod. Sorry, y'all. Let me see. Let me put something here to keep it from slipping. Sliding. There. So that should be good. So, and it just depends on what you put in here. I have done this before, and sometimes it come out red just because of what I put in it, and then other time it comes out green. So the color of it just, for me, it depends on. So I wonder if it's gonna come out red or green. And you just use like fresh vegetables to make this type of and I'm using a tomato. This is good for marinating your meats, fish, chicken, beef, whatever. Garlic. Let me see how this do so far. Overloaded. So it'd be good. Why you unplug? I'm gonna unplug this. You unplug my blender. I'm sorry. So I need to add a little bit of water in here. So add a little bit of water. Chop it up. It smells good. So I'm gonna add some more vegetables to here because it's a little bit too liquidy. Liquidy. I slipped and sliding again. So thicken it up. Oh, and I forgot to add the onion, but it smells good. What? Oh, damn.
Why is he just sitting there waiting? No, get creepy. That's weird. Sit in here, catch me out.
And my blender is not the best, so we gotta work with what we have, right? You said what?
Put your tablet in the blender.
Put my tablet in the blender.
Yes.
Okay.
Put the tablet in the blender.
No.
Yes.
Okay. This really don't take long to make. You just gotta prep your vegetables, what you're going, the ingredients, and that's it. Just throw in the blender. So it looks like this mixture is gonna end up being like a reddish orange, maybe. Pour some of this out.
Where did he go?
We're going to have some chunks in there. Just like that. Yeah. So I'll leave that in there so I can clean up the rest of it. Sorry I keep slipping and sliding, but yeah. I have to improvise on my stand. Now, if y'all know how to make this, what do y'all put in your Epis, I think it was called Epis, however. My mom, when she cooked, she always had this in her refrigerator. Just easy to take out, get a spoon, take a whole spoonful and put on your meat. Clean meat. Let's see. Let's see. It smells so good. Let me show y'all how it looks. Hold on. So this is how it looks in a blender, and this is how it looks in a jar. And then what I'm going to do when I'm done, I'm going to refrigerate it. So I am cooking chicken tonight, so this will go on top of my chicken for season. And then you can also add other season on top of it, but this, yeah, this will be good. But and then you can add other season on top of it, any other seasoning that you'll choose to. Oh, I forgot to add one more thing. I will add it in just a minute. I'm going to add the cubes. Hold on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more back into the blender. I'm going to add these the bouillon cubes on there as well. And that'll be it. So I'm done with the blending, completely done with the blending. Now this is the way I make it for me in my household. There's different other ways that you can make it, and you can also buy it in the store. But I'm not going to buy it in the store, but I know how to make it, right? And I know what's in it. But you know what I'm saying? If you lasted this long to the end of the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Set your notification so you'll know when I drop another video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Y'all have a great day.